Welcome to 4070 Leighton Place Drive. This new construction home is built by the Twilly Builders. It's a 3-bedroom with 2 full baths. It's 1,900 square feet. It's got beautiful 10-foot ceilings with 8-foot doors, custom cabinetry, and hardware throughout. This home is located in a fabulous gated community. It's near I-10 and I-65, so easy access to fine dining, entertainment, shopping, and more. Do you want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600. Welcome to the primary suite. You have a nice sized soaking tub, dual vanities with plenty of counter space, a walk-in shower with the built-in bench, a separate water closet, and a nice sized walk-in closet. This home has a nice covered porch, plus a 1-car carport and a 1-car garage. Your backyard already has a privacy fence. What more could you ask for? Call today for your private showing, 251-234-9919. Do you want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600.